In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to avoid ModuleNotFoundError, no module named aws-cdk, when trying to install AWS Cloud Development Kit in your Python program. So here I have my basic Python program, but when I try to run it in the terminal, I get this ModuleNotFoundError, no module named aws_cdk. Now, the first mistake you're making is it's not called aws_cdk. Here is what you need to type to import aws-cdk properly. Pip install aws-cdk.core. Notice that there's a dash, not underscore character. And you also need to add .core or it's not going to install properly. So let's go ahead and install that. And now when I run my program, Python hello.py, enter, you will see that it's running without errors. And if you're installing aws-cdk from a requirements.txt file, just make sure to add aws-cdk.core in your requirements.txt file.